Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tongkat Ollie. Begin by checking product quality and concentration before starting any regimen. Always consult your healthcare provider about interactions and underlying conditions. Start at a low dose to assess tolerance and avoid concurrent stimulants. Track effects and side effects for several weeks to judge benefit. Adjust dose slowly and prioritize consistent timing each day for best results. Stay patient and observant. Start with a conservative dose and increase only if needed and tolerated. Typical cycles last 1 to 2 months with breaks to prevent tolerance. Take Tongkat Ollie at the same time daily for stable effects, with or without food according to your product. Avoid taking high doses late in the day if you are sensitive to stimulation. Keep a simple log of dose, timing, and effects to inform adjustments. Be consistent. Monitor mood, sleep, and energy closely after starting Tongkat Ollie to spot benefits or problems. Note any increased anxiety, insomnia, or digestive changes and reduce dose or stop if symptoms persist. Be aware of potential interactions with blood thinners, diabetes meds, and stimulants, and consult providers. Regular blood tests may help if you have chronic conditions. Always prioritize safety and avoid combining multiple stimulants or unverified supplements concurrently. Listen to your body.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.